Good morning, dear student. This is Sunil Pandey, once again, Associate Professor Pharmacy College. Dear student, without delaying anything, I am going to start the unit system because you have very minimum time for your examination. So, if I am discussing about the parts of the unit system, then in case of unit system, there are two kidney, the right kidney and left kidney. That is, this is the left, this is the right. Right kidney is basically smaller in size and lower in position. There is a two ureter, and this is the opening of ureter, this is the urethra, and this is the urinary bladders. Dear students, if I am discussing about the weight of the kidney in male, that is 125 to 170 grams. In case of female, 115 to 155 grams in female. If I am discussing about the length of the kidney, that is 4.3 inches, and the weight is 5 centimeter, and thickness is 2.5 centimeters. Dear students, if I am going to discuss about the function of urinary system, first one is the removal of waste product. Second one is the basically in case of waste product, that is urea and urethra, they are more toxic product for the body. So our urinary system just remove out this toxic product from the body. And second one is the regulation of electrolytes, that is the sodium, potassium, and calcium. And you can say that is important function, that is the homeostasis. Homeostasis, that is the balancing of your body. And urinary system is also playing an important role for the maintaining of your body's pH. If I am going to discuss about the parts of the urinary system, that is the two kidney, I have already told, that is two ureters. One is urinary bladder, and this is the opening of urethra and ureter and urethra. Dear students, if I am discussing about the important part of your urinary system, that is the nephron. Nephron is the unit of your urinary system. So their numbers is numerous. If I am going to discuss about the one neuron, that is the structure of nephron. This is one is the glomerulus. This is the afferent arteriole, and this one is the efferent arterioles. This is the Bowman capsule. This is the PCT, proximal convoluted tubules. This is the loop of Henle. There is a two loop of Henle, that is the ascending and descending. And this one is the DCT, distal convoluted tubules, and the finally connecting them. Dear students, basically your physiology of, I am discussing about the physiology of urinary system, that is the formation of urine. There are three important steps in the formation of urine. First one is the filtration, which occur, and then reabsorption, and then finally secretion. And there is a little bit different between the three parts of the formation of urine. First, the filtration. In case of filtration process, the important constituents are just prevented, and the toxic material and which are not usable for our body, that is removed out, that is comes into the filtrate. And glomerulus play an important role for this process. And the second step, that is the reabsorption. In case of reabsorption, after filtration, the important constituent which is further usable for the body, they are prevented, and the waste material are just pass out. In case of secretion, finally all the you can say the substance finally comes out in the urine, and excess water in case of secretion is also comes out in the secretion process. So, dear students, this is the basic idea regarding the urinary system. Definitely it comes in your examination. So when it comes in your examination, you make both the structures and discuss about what I have told you. Thank you.